This is the foldable HitGo reformer board with Pilates bar, 4 moving boards that slide and lock into place, interchangeable padded handles for feet and hands, 4 bungee cords, a user manual with great starter Pilates exercise guide, and a 265-pound weight capacity. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. It's an amazing piece of equipment to add to your home gym, your office, you name it. Here is everything after unboxing and unwrapping. The instruction guide, user's manual, shows you all of the pieces, how it's gonna look once it's set up, and then of course, how to put it together and how to use it. First, you're gonna stand it on its side and screw in the handle at the end. Then you're gonna lay it down flat, put the padding on the pedals, and then insert the pedals onto the machine, either in the front or the back. They are interchangeable and they don't screw in or lock in or anything. They just sit nicely and firmly in place, and then you can swap out as needed. Batteries are included. You need to insert here with this device that is also included. Each of these can be locked and unlocked independently. You just roll this to one of the slots and then toggle it down, and then it's locked firmly in place. So you can lock the front ones or the back ones or both, depending on the exercise you're doing, and then just unlock it and it's gonna roll so smoothly. It's got 2 longer bungee cords, 2 shorter bungee cords, and 2 long ones with padded handles. And then it's also got this really nice, wide, firm, padded Pilates bar. You can also just use it like this. You can use it with all of these. Oh my gosh, it's so flexible how you use it. Very quick to swap the accessories in and out as well. If you're a first timer like me, you're in luck because the book goes over all of the different exercises you can do. We've got bent over crawling, upright crawling, knee lift crunch, forward bend crunch, skiing, rowing machine. You've got those little bands here that you can add on. Pilates bar. This one has the bar and the 2 rope thingies. So this is padded a little bit, so it's really comfortable to hold. And then when you're done, you just fold it in half so you can put it against the wall or put it under a bed or a sofa, something like that. The size of this is great because there are different spots where you can lock everything in. I'm 5'8" for reference, and it's great for me. This thing is so great for doing home workouts, core exercises, Pilates, all of that. You can do at home. So easy to assemble and get to exercising. I love this, and know you will too.